Hey everybody, it's CJ from Tight Assets Fitness Training. Last week we gave you a video on the headstand, and this week I get to walk you through the headstand step by step. Now before we do that, I want to preface this video by saying this is a medium to high risk exercise. So if you currently have any neck, shoulder, or lower back injuries, we suggest you don't try this. But if you're perfectly healthy, this is a fun challenge. I'm going to do it against the wall first to give me a bit more support and stability, and then I'll do it out in the middle of the floor. You guys are going to try this. Make sure to put down some fall protection. Okay, so you have a bit of padding in case you have to bail. Now, I'm doing it against the wall first for a bit more stability. First thing I do is form a triangle with my forearms. Okay, and then I'm going to cradle my head in my hands. Now where my elbows are, that's where my hands go, and that helps me form a stable tripod. Next, I'm going to extend my legs, and I'm going to walk my hips up over my shoulders, and this is the key, getting the hips stacked over the shoulders. Okay? I'm going to prop one leg, prop the other, extend one, and then extend the other. Okay? And the wall is helping me, it is giving me a bit of support. When I've had enough, I'm going to come down, once again, prop, extend, and then I'm going to walk myself out of this. All right? So that's against the wall, but I do want to show you guys that I can do this for real. So I'll move down. I'm still keeping my fall protection here, and all the steps are exactly the same. And that is your step-by-step guide for the headstand. Now, I just want to remind you, this is a medium to high-risk exercise. So if you currently have any neck, shoulder, or lower back issues, skip this one. But if you're perfectly healthy, definitely try this. It's a great challenge. Now, if you like this video and you want more stuff like this, please like it. Please subscribe to us. We have content coming out all the time. And we're a mobile fitness company. We will come to you. So if you want us to come and show you stuff like this, go to our website, www.tightassets.ca, and hit the Start Training button.